Good morning, class. In the today's class, we are going to discuss the last topic of the chapter, that is water management. Okay, so in this topic, basically, we are just going to study that how should we manage the water. It means that where we have to use more water, where we have to use less water, and where we can and how we can save the water. That is called water management. Okay, in class 6 you studied a lot of method by which you can save water at your home level. Okay, but in this time we are just going to study that how we are just going to save water in our locality, and how it was be managed by the different persons in the different levels. Okay, okay, now here you can see a map which tell you actually the rain percentage of the different places. Okay, as you know that somewhere there is a very heavy rain and somewhere there is a scarcity of rain. Okay, there is a very less rain. So actually this map is showing you where the rain is maximum and where the rain is less. Rain map of India. You see this picture like dark blue above 400, okay, 200 to 400, then 100 to 200, and very light lines is for 0 to 20. So you can see that which place is getting more and more rain. Okay, now when we talk about the management, so as we know that managing of the water is very important thing, because if we are getting a sufficient amount of rain but still we don't have water in the summer days, or still if the people of particular areas are facing problem, then definitely we need to think about it. It means we are wasting a water lot, we are not saving the water. Okay, so there is a different ways by we can save water. So first is the rainwater harvesting. Okay, so rainwater harvesting is a very useful method on that areas where we are getting a lot of rain. Okay, so in what we are doing in the rainwater harvesting, we are just making a tanks, and we are like a slope, we are making like a slope, and whatever the rain fell, so that water is collected on the particular digging areas, or particular tanks, or we can use that rainwater for the future use, or we can use that water for the cattle purposes or for the agricultural purposes also. Okay, so this is the method by which we can use the rainwater. Okay, like rainwater may you have seen that picture, this is the home, we can make the roof of the home like that, and whatever the water will fall on this roof, it will be collected and it goes through the pipe to the tank, and we can use this water for the future purposes. Clear? Now the another one you can see, this is the Bawris. Okay, Bawri, it like have you seen Nola and something like that in Pahari, in Kumaoni language we are calling them Nola and all. Okay, and those who are not from Kumaon region, Bawris is like the natural resource. I will show you the picture of the Bawris. Okay, these are the natural resource where from where the water is coming from the ground level or from some seepages, and we are collecting this water for the future use. You can see this picture of Bawris. ठीक है, so this is the picture of Bawri. Bawri, it is a natural resource like Nola आपने देखा होगा. We are just keeping this for some time, and you know that automatically the water fills on that particular area, and we are using these. But nowadays we know that we are not using these natural resources for and what we are doing, we are just throwing garbages and something plastic, polythene, and something there. So these natural resources which we used earlier for filling our water requirement on our hard days, that Bawris or there's Nolas are now in, you can see that they are in the danger zone. Okay, so we need to clean these natural resources at least, because you know that whenever we are getting the hard days, it means when we get less water, we can use them as a natural resource. Now let's read. We have at many places in India and old practices of water storage and water recharge like the Bawris. ठीक है. Bawri was the traditional way to collecting water. With time, the Bawris fell into the disuse and garbage started filling in these reserve here. However, because of the acute water shortage, people of these areas have had to rethink. The Bawris are being revived. Today, the situation is that in spite of scanty rain, these places are managing their water needs well. ठीक है, तो जो भी well हैं आपके या बावरीज हैं, whatever the natural resource your nearby area you have, we need to protect them. ठीक है, because you know that whenever we will get less rainfall या whenever we will get the problem related to the water, these resources will help us lot. So what do we need to do? We need to protect them, we need to clean them, do not misuse them. Okay, the third method is that a drip irrigation. Drip irrigation means ki rather than giving water to the whole field, what do we need to do? We need to give water to the roots of the plant only, because you know that the water, the plant's roots is going to take the water. Other, if we will पूरा नहला उस प्लांट को देंगे तो there is no any benefit. ठीक है, तो drip irrigation it means that we are just giving the water to the roots of the plant, and this is a very useful method in that areas where is a very where there is a very less rain, like in Rajasthan and all. And drip irrigation is a very useful method, because you know that this place are not getting sufficient amount of rain, so for planting there, so drip irrigation is the best method for there. Okay, so these are the different method which you can use at your level, and it will be help you to manage the water. Now what you can do at your level, so you can do something like turn off taps while brushing, like when we are washing our face, when we are brushing up, yeah, when we are washing the utensils, what do we need to do? We need to close the tap. ठीक है, whenever we open the tap only on that time when we need them. Otherwise what we are doing, we are just brushing our teeth and the tap is open continuously, the water is wasting and wasting. So this is not should be done. Okay, what do we need to do? We need to fill the mug or the jug, whatever you have at your home. Okay, so these are the basic things which we can do. ठीक है, same when we are cleaning our floor, or when we are cleaning our cars and all, rather than rather than using hose, or rather than using a lot of water, what do we need to do? We just take one cloth and dip into the bucket water and squeeze them properly and just clean it. ठीक है, mopping maybe we can save a lot of water. So these are the normal method by which you can use save or manage water at your home level. Already in the class 6 I discussed a lot of practices with you. ठीक है, इफेक्ट ऑफ वाटर स्कार्सिटी ऑन द प्लांट्स. ठीक है, तो प्लांट्स में अगर क्या होगा, if the plants will not get the sufficient amount of water, then what will be happen, their leaves will be yellowish and it will be shed off. ठीक है, same we human beings also will get a lot of problems related to that. So this is related how should we manage the water. Hope this chapter you understand this chapter. If you have any doubt related to this chapter, ask me in the live classes. ठीक है, there is only the 2 question left which related to this chapter, so I am sending you the 2 answers of these 2 questions. Do it today. Let's meet in the next class.